2025 Honda Pilot. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It checks off in-demand features which offer more convenience, such as cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, third row seating, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, backup camera, memory seat, tinted windows, rear air conditioning. Make an appointment today to test drive this popular model.